हाय हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स लगे रहो. In the last class vectors 3 marks we have seen question number 1 and 2. Now let us solve what question number 3. What I had asked we will see. If two vectors vector A and vector B such that magnitude of vector A is equal to 2, magnitude of vector B is equal to 3 and vector A dot vector B is equal to 4, find magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Very easy question dear students. We will find here magnitude of vector A minus B whole square dear students. You also know I want magnitude of vector A minus B only, but here we are using whole square. Why we are using? Because we know the formula of magnitude vector A minus B whole square. So magnitude of vector A minus B whole square is what? Magnitude of vector A square, magnitude of vector B square minus 2 vector A dot vector B dear students. So this is the formula. We already know the value of what? Magnitude of A. Magnitude of A is given how much? Can you see here? That is given as 2. Here what? Magnitude A whole square it is. Here they are given only magnitude vector A is equal to 2. Here it will become what? 2 square dear students. Why it has become square? You know here square is there. So magnitude of B is also given how much? That is 3. 3 square. A dot B is how much? It is also given here. Can you see? A dot B vector is what? That is 4 he has given. So how much it will become? You can see magnitude of vector A minus B whole square is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 2 4s are 8 dear students. Now see 9 minus 8 is how much? 1. So 4 plus 1 is how much? That is 5. So now this is what magnitude of vector A minus B whole square dear students. If you take square on this side, it will become what? Magnitude of vector A minus B square root of 5 dear students, which is required answer for our question. Can you see? Find magnitude of vector A minus B. He has asked. Here we got magnitude of vector A minus B is equal to root 5. I hope it is clear for you. If you are not understanding anything, you can ask me or you can comment me. I will update with your answer. Fine. So we will see the next question. Now let us solve next question dear students. Question number 4. You can see find a unit vectors perpendicular to each of the vectors A vector A plus vector B and vector A minus B, where vector A is equal to what? I cap plus j cap plus k cap and vector B is given as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. He has asked this question. We have to find a unit vector for this one which is perpendicular. Now see, suppose if you take this as A plus B, vector A plus B is here and vector A minus B you call this. So how to find what? A vector which is perpendicular for what? A plus B and A minus B he has asked dear students. So let us consider here. We will say this is the vector, unit vector which is perpendicular for what? A minus B and A plus B dear students. That means I have to find here what? C cap dear students. And then many of the students will ask, we will find here cross product. Why cross product sir? See, unit vector means what dear students? Vector means magnitude and direction is required. So if direction comes means 100% it is a cross product will go. So if you move, see here right hand side from A plus B to A minus B, if you go, our thumb will show where? Outside. So then direction is there means we have to use what? Cross product. So because dot product means what? Scalar product. Scalar means magnitude will come only, not direction. So keep in mind, that's why we have to find what? C cap here dear student. You can give any alphabet, N cap or C cap or S cap which you like, but we will use here what? C cap dear students. So first we will find what? A plus B. So how to find A plus B? You know very well. A plus B. A is what dear students? I cap plus J cap plus K cap plus B is what dear students? I cap plus 2J cap plus 3k cap. Clear? So this is that. So now add I cap plus I cap. I cap plus I cap is 2 I cap dear student. J cap plus 2 J cap that is 3j cap. K cap plus 3j cap, 3k cap, that is 4k cap. K cap plus 3k cap is 4k cap, dear students. Now let us find what A minus B, dear students. A minus B means what? A means I cap, j cap plus k cap, and minus B means what? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, dear students. Clear? Minus sign you take inside. Here you see minus is there. Minus sign I will take inside. Minus into I cap, minus I cap, minus into plus, minus 2j cap, minus into plus, minus 3k cap, dear students. So now see, I cap minus I cap, 0, 0 I cap I can write, 0 I cap, j cap minus 2j cap is minus j cap, dear students. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 j cap. So k cap minus 3k cap is minus 2k cap, dear students. This is your A minus B, dear students. Clear? So A minus B I got. Then I have to find what here? Cross product, no? Because unit vector I have to find C cap. So now see, I will call that as what? C vector. A plus B cross A minus B. You know, dear students, cross product how we will write. In basic formula also I told A cross B, it is looking like A cross A means A plus B, B means what? A minus B. A cross B I will write in determinant form I cap plus j cap k cap. So now A plus B is what? How much it is? Here you can see the numbers. A plus B is here 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 only numbers you write. So A minus B means what? Here you can see the numbers. 0, minus 1, minus 2, dear students. Clear? So I got cross, and now expand this one. Expanding what? R1. I will expand R1 now. R1 what you will get, you see here. I cap, bracket. So first row you leave first column. 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Minus 1 into 4 is minus into minus, plus 4, you know the determinant how to expand. So now minus j cap. So first row you lose, second column 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 0 into minus is, that is 0. 0 into 4 is 0 only you will get. So plus k cap you write, bracket, see here, first row you lose, last column 2 into minus 1, minus 2, dear students. 0 into 3, 0, minus 0. How much you got? See here, minus 6 up plus 4. That will become minus 2, dear students. Minus 2 I cap. Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 j cap. Clear? Minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. Minus into plus is minus 2 k cap, dear students. So now what is common here, dear students? 2 is common. I can take 2 common. What is remaining? 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. I cap. So next is what? 2 2s are 4 j cap. 2 is common again. Minus k cap will remain inside. You got what? Vector C, dear students. This is nothing but vector C. You have already called it as what? C vector or not? So that's why we got the C vector. And C cap how we will find? C cap, you know, unit vector how we will write? A cap is equal to vector A divided by magnitude of vector A you will write. So that means C cap also similarly we can write vector C divided by magnitude of C we have to find. So magnitude of C, what it will become? Can you see? Magnitude C is 2 is as it is, 2 is as it is. And magnitude of this, see here, minus 1 square. And this is what? 2 square. And how much here? Minus 1 square. Clear? So now how much it will give? You can see 2 minus 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. You got how much? This will become 6, dear students. Root 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is root 6. 2 root 6. This is what? Your magnitude of C, dear students. I have to find what? Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B can be what? Can be C cap is equal to C vector divided by magnitude C. And C vector is what? Already we got. We can write it as 2 into minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, dear students. And magnitude of C is how much? 2 root 6 or not? 2 root 6, 2 get cancelled, dear students. This was our answer, and this is a very important question, dear students, which has came already 3 times in a board exam, dear students. One more time it has came, but it is having what? Different, what he has given different vectors. I will give you that also now. You can try in home. If you are not getting, please comment me. I will give an answer for that also. Don't worry. Fine. So I hope it is clear. If you are liking my channel, please like it. See everything you are seeing, answers you are copying, but not liking my channel. Please press that thumb like. Fine. So I will write the next question for your homework. You try in home. So you can copy until. Dear students, your homework is here. Question is same to same. Find a unit vector perpendicular to what? Vectors A plus B and A minus B. Just in vector A place, this will come. Vector B place, this will come. Please try this in home. If you are not getting, please ask me. I will help you. I am always with you. So please support me also. So and like my channel, once again reminding. Fine. So we'll meet in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू.